Trying to choose between Owens Corning or GAF shingles for your roof. You're not alone. This is a top question we get from homeowners choosing between two different brands of shingles. So as an Owens Corning preferred contractor, we still have experience with installing other brands of shingles. So in this video, I'm just going to let you guys know of my experience with other brands in comparison to that Owens Corning shingle. Hey there, my name is Nick Good and I work for Hoel Roofing and Remodeling, and I've been doing this for a little over 5 years now. And in my experience, one of the most common issues when a roofer's installing a roof are high nails and low nails. So what that is when a roofer's shooting the nails into those shingles and fastening them onto the roof, sometimes there's nails that are shot too high, which is above the nailing zone, or too low, which is below the nailing zone. And that's because they're moving fast. Sometimes on certain shingles, the nailing zone's too narrow. It's not obvious to them where that nailing zone is. So that's the good thing about the Owens Corning Duration shingle, is it has that white fabricated nailing zone right across the face of the shingle, and that gives a good target for that roofer to nail onto to ensure that all shingles are properly fastened to the home. So one of the most common callbacks that I get are GAF shingles just not sealing properly, and shingles are blowing off, falling off. Now, a lot of times that can be an installation issue. However, it's been a common occurrence over the course of these past 5 years that a lot of these newer roofs, whether they're 3 or 4 years old, these GAF shingles just don't seem to be sealing down quite as well. So in my experience, that has been one of the biggest callbacks that I've had during my time doing this. As far as Owens Corning roofs go, I've never had any callbacks on the Owens Corning shingles themselves, so that's why we prefer to install that Owens Corning shingle. So in my experience, one of the main factors that a homeowner is looking for is making sure that that roof brings good curb appeal to the home. As a homeowner, one good thing about the Owens Corning shingles is they'll have a variety of shingle colors in the Duration line, and they'll also have your designer colors. So with the Duration and the designer colors, a homeowner gets a variety of different color options that they can choose from to bring that curb appeal to the home. So we have installed GAF roofs before, and one of the main reasons a homeowner will choose a GAF roof is because they have found a color within that GAF line of shingles that they prefer over any of the colors that Owens Corning can offer. So oftentimes they'll choose that curb appeal, that look, over any sort of concerns with performance. So as far as cost goes between a GAF and an Owens Corning shingle, it obviously depends on which line within GAF or which line within Owens Corning that a homeowner chooses. But if we're comparing apples to apples and we're both going with the middle of the road GAF shingle, middle of the road Owens Corning shingle, at least in my experience, so long as the roof is the same, the roofing system is the same, shingles compare pretty well or similar in price to one another. So in my experience, we've had to file one manufacturer warranty claim for an Owens Corning roof that we installed, I would say about 3 or 4 years ago, and that process was seamless. We have a good sales rep from Owens Corning that works with us, that worked with us through this warranty claim, and we are able to get it taken care of quickly and efficiently for the homeowner. As far as GAF goes, I haven't installed enough GAF shingles to warrant a manufacturer warranty claim, so I don't know how that process works on their end, but at least as far as Owens Corning goes, in my experience, it has been a seamless and efficient process. As a homeowner, you're trying to determine what's going to be the best fit for you, a GAF shingle or an Owens Corning shingle. If you're looking for a specific color that maybe Owens Corning doesn't have and GAF does, then GAF may be the right fit for you. However, if you're looking for a performance-based shingle, then Owens Corning would be the best decision for you. If you'd like to talk to an expert about getting the right new roof for your home, please give Hoel Roofing a call at 765-561-4023 or visit us at hoelrr.com.